Njanji wa igoti inene ria Kerugoya Richard Mwongo niugite riendikithia ria kurekererio na mbondi kwa mwene kirabu John Muriithi hari andu 17 kuma Kangai na Kandongu marakuire rigathira thutha wa aira aria maragwetetuo ni gikundi kia acirithania guthikiririo thiku 60 nginya thiku 90.
Listen to the submissions of counsel on the bail bond application for the first accused. Carefully considered the application, notice of motion, and the grounds stated therein. Further considered the probation officer's report filed on 9th of April 2024.
Tariki 14 mweri wa gatatu mwaka uyu John Muriithi andu eri na maafitha a borithiana ni mathitangirwo ni undu wa kuragana no makirekererio na mbondi haria Muriithi araimirwo mbondi. John Muriithi kugerera wakili wake Kemunto Magara riendikithitie arekererio na mbondi haria ahitiirio mahitia meri. Ihitia ria mbere riri kuraga andu 17 kuu Kangai na ria keri kuiya uira uria urahingirwo ceceni-ini ya borithi ya Kiamashiri.
I view the failure of the defense to respond to the above as a matter of substance. Whilst it is true that the accused has a constitutional right to bail, that right is subject to the existence of compelling reasons. Compelling reasons place the interests of the accused in tension with the interests of the victims, the interests of the state, and the interests of the public. Satisfied that the public interest and the interests of the accused require that at this point he be kept in an environment of absolute safety in light of the IO's affidavit.
Njanji Richard Mwongo niugite riendikithia ria John Muriithi rikurikiririo thutha wa guthikiririo kwa aira mugwanja aria maragwetetuo ni gikundi kia acirithania matongoretio ni munini wa DPP Vincent Mamba.
The application for bail is not dismissed but may be concluded after the hearing of the aforesaid 7 witnesses. Ordered that the evidence of the 7 witnesses will be fast-tracked within the next 60 to 90 days. The bond application shall be reconsidered thereafter.
Kirifotera Muthingi TV, Geto wa Geshi wa Wachira.